Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Nice words about me. Thank you, Dr.
Thank you.
Mama.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Most respected management of the college and principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, and Dr. Most of the faculties also here. So I'm very happy to see all through online as a particular Sita Ramsan College and other. I hope other faculty members also here. I hope last 5 days you have the huge amount of knowledge about the artificial intelligence. So that here I want to say what type of artificial tools has to use, which type of artificial AI tools should not be used. That is very much important. Because of everyone says that this type of tool you can use, that kind of tool you can use. But here I want to say what kind of tool you have to use. In the meantime, I hope you have a lot of knowledge about AI, so that during my sessions I like to ask the few questions to the participants also, just so that only I believe you are here or not. Because of most of the online class, you know that even HRTC class, MMT class also, we should take the. But I'm not. Just most of the time, I will avoid the taking the online class because of sometimes we feel that I speak alone. Anybody here like that we can ask sometimes, so that I request you, if you have any doubts related to artificial intelligence or plagiarism, please ask the questions. Just you can ask the question in chat box also. So even I will ask some questions for particularly related to your subject only. So please answer it through chat box. So that will helpful for me for you are available or not. But actually, it's not a problem. You have to close it your screen also. That's not a problem. But actually, please answer my questions. That is important. So that only it will be interactive sessions. I want to go for the. It should be practical and interactive sessions. I shouldn't. I'm not interested to go for the mostly PowerPoint presentation. So practical, and moreover, I will ask a few questions. You have to answer it. So the based on that, we will go for. So that since I'm the plagiarism coordinator, so that last few years, 2 or 3 2021 onwards, I'm in the plagiarism coordinator. Initially, we most of the thesis come to us with the plagiarism. With 30%, 40% actually. Is nowadays totally reduced. All the thesis comes under 10% of similarity. That means 10% of plagiarism. But AI plagiarism, 40%, 50%, 60% like that. Because of that all are excellent knowledge in the artificial intelligence. Particularly they know how can use the chat GPT, perplexity AI. So they were prepared the artificial intelligence. They prepared the table or images. Simply they put it the ChatGPT or perplexity AI. Then some analysis will come. They were using the same kind of analysis. So in that time, even Trilbit or turned in authenticate, it will be easily detect the weight. So I will show you, practically I will show you how you can, that AI tools selected by the Trilbit and ChatGPT, Trilbit and other plagiarism tools. So and moreover, some faculties also, they will explain you, it's not a problem, you can use it, you may escape actually. But now you may escape after few months, you may got it. I hope you may read about retracted article. I will explain you where you can access the retracted article. Database also there is freely available. There you can see that most of the article retracted because of the AI, artificial intelligence similarity, artificial intelligence plagiarism. Most of the time, the faculty they were using the AI Gemini image. So that simply if you want to do the research, particular science faculty, you have to go to the lab, science lab. Most of the highly published institution, even colleges also, that our affiliate college also, they used to go for the colleges. sorry, used to go for the university, NIT, Anna University, Bharas University, like that, particularly science faculty, they used to go there. And otherwise, the scholar, they sent to the NIT or sometimes IIT also. The scholars has to go to the lab, they have to practice it, they have to use the lab, they can come up some of the research article. That's always good method. No colleges, I can say in Tamil Nadu, most of the time India also, no college have the that much of, you have the teaching lab, excellent teaching lab, no problem. But what about the research lab? But even Bharas University, last 3 years we are spending the 60 crore rules of fund for the developing the science lab. Same like that. Anna University, they are spending the nearly 200, 300 crore. NIT also 400, 500 crore, they are spending the science lab. They have a lot of chemical, lot of softwares. So just imagine, but your colleges, not only your, I mean, your college means all the faculty. I mean, say you think your college alone. Most of the Indian colleges don't have that much of facilities. Even you have the teaching is excellent, teaching laboratory excellent, teaching lab is excellent. But when you are going for the research lab, you need the updated lab, so that only you can publish a good number of article. But you can use the artificial intelligence, not a problem. But you can enhance your article, or you can save the time for your article. That's it. But don't write single words using the AI. Even ChatGPT or Perplexity, don't use it actually. Even Gemini AI, this and all for writing. For example, when I need to write a letter, simply I just if I you type it, they will prepare it. Then I will use some corrections, I submit it. So you can prepare some of the ideas, or sometimes even budget also, even my family budget also. Just use it to prepare the using ChatGPT or Perplexity AI. But when you go for the research, I will suggest you some of the tools that are really helpful for you, particularly review of literature. When you are collecting the literature of article, you have to use AI, artificial intelligence. That is really helpful for you. Even data, not analysis, not a writing paragraph. You can have the data, you can upload the data to some of the tools is there, even science and social science. Then that they will give the some statistical tools, some statistical data. You have to use that data is not a problem. But the paragraph you do not write it. But the social science faculty also, just you have to go for the society, for you have to go and take the data from the real problem of the society. How many people are social science or commerce people are go to the society? You can go to the field, then you can collect the data. I hope to do the research. You can publish a good number of articles. Okay, first initially, I want to go for the drill bit software. How we check it, the drill bit software in the AI parabracing, particularly even with some faculties, they were using the quill part or spin part also. Just they were collecting the paragraph, copy the paragraph and paste it the quill part, then parabracing. That's also, it will easily identify the all the plagiarism software. So when you're writing the proposal, most of the 70 of the research proposal rejected due to the AI plagiarism. Even article also. So that even thesis also, most of the thesis nowadays coming to us, we rejected, sorry, not rejected, we resend. You have to correct it. Just we send the report. We resend the report 70%, 60% of a plagiarism. So that you have to careful about AI plagiarism. So that is the reason I will tell you, you have to avoid the quill part, spin part, ChatGPT, Perplexity AI. These 2 to 4 tools, you have to check it. You can check it, your ideas and all. But when you are writing the research article, you do not use, you have to use traditional method of writing. That's always good for the writing the research work. Okay, I will check it. I will practically, I will show you how then Drillbit software checking. This is for here. I will go there. Just sorry, I will go to share my screen.
Share
Yeah,
my
yeah.
screen.
Yes, yes, ma'am. It's fine. I hope now you may see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, just I will give my username password. Okay, this is for input software. So that now I will go to the my. You can go to the create folder. Then after creating folder, here is option is there. You have to check. You can check it here. Exclude reference bibliography. I always give the yes. Exclude quotes also yes. Exclude small sources. If yes, that means 14 weights continuously. And check it here. 14 weights for thesis. If we check the article, 10 weights. So so I can click the 10 weights because we are going to check the journal article. So yes, I want to go for check it all the students paper, journal publisher, wherever students paper is available, that's also it will check it. Journal publisher, internet or web, institute repository, everything. I click it yes, 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 yes. So that means, for example, some of they say, sir, my computer information communication technology that waits, it will come the plagiarism. It's not like that. If you click the 10 weights, it's not coming to the that single weights, it will not show the plagiarism. So I click it here, 10 continuous weights. That means 10 weights continuously are copied from the net. That will shows the some kind of some percentage of plagiarism. So I click it submit here. Yeah, just I folder. I typed it SRC. Okay. Here I submitted. Okay, then after I submitted here, then I going to click here. Then I'm clicking this plus point. Then regional, non-English, English. Regional means if you have submitted Tamil PhD, just I click the regional and then or non-English. Just now I'm going to check the English only. So I clicked English. So browse my file here. So already have one file. So first article, then I'm click it, open it. So I'm coming down. So I typed my name, Bala. This is what we are checking the using little bit plagiarism. We are checking it. Then article 1, document type. This for thesis. This is my guideline. Yeah, I typed money, some like that. Then I submitted. I confirm that I resubmitting the file. If I submitted file, I click the confirm. I resubmitting file. So I proceed. So that's it. It will take some time. Here you can check the AI score and the similarity. Then I will download the files here. This is what the name and the article, the language English. So this is what repository and the reports. Actually, if you need the reports, you can go and take the reports here. And the setting also. Here we can setting, that setting means already told you how many weights. Okay, it will take some time for that after, so that in the meantime, I will go to the retracted database. Just simply, you can also check it, that's free only. Yeah, this is a retracted database. If I type the affiliation, just I type India, okay. If I type Bharathasan, all the universities retracted will come because of even Bharathasan honest article, also free article, retracted article, even huge amount of nature. Just I type it here. Even nature article, nature is highest impact factor, you know that. but that journal also published few retracted article. Here they will mention the reason, totally 31 articles. Here if you click it, it will come up the which college. That's also you come to know that. Concern issue, peer review, and unreliable result, sometimes duplication or in images or AI tools. In that way, this is the reason why this article it will come for the retracted article. Just if you go and click here, if you copy and paste the Google, that will shows that why this article clearly they will explain you why what is the reason this article is rejected. Many of the article retracted article due to the AI plagiarism. Yeah, that's you can see here. We uploading the article. That article totally 59% AI score. Even similarity just AI percentage. But the grammar quality also okay. But if you some more than 70%, grammar quality is okay. But AI score you can check it here. If I click it here, AI score. Yeah, this is what copied from this. The paragraph is copied. So this paragraph is copied. Only this paragraph is copied actually. So here this paragraph also copied. The little text model has been developed to identify AI generated text from the tools like ChatGPT. Many tools, not only ChatGPT, even Quillpart, Spinpart, Perplexity. In that way, even not only a little bit, even ChatGPT and Quillpart, they were checking like that. So please careful about that while you are doing the research. Okay. So okay, now we'll go for the AI tools. What kind of AI tools has to use? What kind of has to use? That's I will explain now. I hope you may understand now.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, this is what I want to plan it enhancing academic English. Just if it's enhancing the research, you can use AI tool. That's fine. It will save your time, but don't use suddenly just you can don't take any data or any paragraph from the ChatGPT or Quillpart or Spinpart. So now you may escape actually. Even you know that one story, Vice Chancellor of Montessori University in 1998, he was written on books, written 3 books. But 2012, based on that books, she resigned. That's you can, if you need the full history, just you can go and check the Google, there it is available. Lot of people, even after 20 years, 25, 30 years, like that. So that when you're writing the article, that will come to the public domain, anyone can see. So anyone can download, anyone can complain. So on Hope is a COEP, Hope. There also, you can also complain to anyone. If you want, if you see any a plagiarism or some images also, parabolic images is there, you can complain. Immediately they will send to the publisher, they will take action. So this is for exploring historical journey of artificial intelligence. 1942 it was started, but actually this is the last 5 days you may seen this. So I don't want to go for this all the history tools and all. But AI enhance your research outcomes. Particularly, this is for it will give the new insights more quickly and still I mean various aspects of research life cycle. So that will be helpful for the research. That this AI tools really helpful for the review of literature, analysis, improving accuracy, supporting collaboration. Even you can use the collaboration also. Even Mendeley, Jetro, some of the AI tools are also available. Using the tools, you can collaborate with the foreign peoples. So now I will come for the AI tools for research. For particularly, you can use the literature review. That's a really excellent tools also that are available. So even you know that SciHub also is already closed. Many of the people believe the just even the SciHub, but now SciHub closed. So my opinion, just do not use SciHub, and even if you come also, other tools also there. I will explain you the tools that will helpful for you. Academic editing also that you can use, data analysis resolution. These tools also available. Citation, but that citation also, reference management also, the AI tools are available. Content creation, learning, teaching, enhancement, admission tools, generative conversation AI. If I go fast, please tell me. I will go for slow. Okay. Then AI Power tools can assist in quickly scanning vast amounts of academic papers, articles, and journals, identifying the relevant studies and summaries findings. This is for I want to go for first tools. Practically, I will show you this semantic scholar, then IRISCI, EndNote, Research Rapid, Elicit. These tools, lot of tools are available, but here I will highlight some of the tools. Really, I like it, the tools. I practice the tool. That tools only I will explain you here. This first I will explain you semantic scholar. And click it here.